Why, this is what we're going to try another Rana meal. No preservatives, 15 grams of protein. This is called Pappardelle? I'll have to look up how to pronounce that. Tuscan style meat sauce. So noodles and meat sauce. I don't know what makes meat sauce Tuscan, but we'll find out. So this is what it looks like now. Now we'd have to taste it. I smell spices. Well, it looks a little better now that it's been dished out, but the big point is what it tastes like. And of course we're going to put some cheese on it too. Looks like it could use some cheese. Moment of truth. You can see the noodles, they're quite wide noodles. Tastes all right. It's going to bug me because there's some spice in here I can taste, but I don't know what it is. Supposedly this is how many servings. That's supposed to be 5 servings. I guess maybe if you did salad and stuff with it. 400 calories. Wow, a lot of fat. Cholesterol, sodium, a lot. Carbohydrates, they're okay. 2 grams of fiber. Sugar, 15 grams of protein. Almost tastes like a pepperoni taste. I can't imagine what that is. And I ripped the bag so that I can't see what's in here that well. It's got celery juices, vegetable base, celery extract, spices, garlic powder, red wine, garlic, crushed red peppers, black pepper, yeast extract. So I think what I'm tasting is the pepper. I'm actually wearing some of it now. This is going to be in the range of, it was okay to eat, but I don't think I'm going to run out and buy another one. This was in their $15.99 price thing. They do that with they've got a lasagna that price, a meat one, a cheese one. Now they have this, and they've got some other things too. They've had they've had some smaller sizes too, and some other things. But personally, I like to have something easy to make. You know, for nights when there's a lack of energy or time, it's nice to have something that you can, you know, just heat up in the microwave at 8 minutes or 9 minutes. Oh, not bad. Not bad. A little peppery. But some people would think that was the best part of it. So there we go. Rana Pappardelle Tuscan style meat sauce. When I think of Tuscan, I think of sun and tomatoes. And it certainly has a tomato part. Contains eggs, milk, and wheat. I don't see, without my glasses on, what the actual meat is. But you can look that up. If you want to try something different, give this a try. I don't know, it will be 5 servings, but again, that would depend on how many things you put with it. Maybe put a nice salad with it. Not too bad. Do you have an opinion, Ruth?
I don't love it.
You don't love it? Not something you'd go right out and buy again, right?
No.
So there we go. We're doing neutral on this, or down a little, because neither one of us would go out and purposely buy this again. You know, we like the lasagna a lot. They were having sales on it too when they kind of began. And we tried some of those, and at the beginning they tasted real good. Then a couple months later we had one, and it didn't taste as good. Was that us, or the way the food was being made? I don't know. Bye.